Okay, a quick disclaimer: if you have not learned to accept your hair shrinkage, um, then I don't think I can help you. What's up, on Billion Gang? It's Divine, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Divine. I make natural hair and adulting content. So, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to braid your hair. If you see me scratching my hair, just know that it's because of I'm sweating on my scalp. The heat is too much. But the last tip at the end of this video is going to help you with your shrinkage, whether you're wearing cornrows or you're wearing twists or you're wearing braids with your natural hair, whether relaxed or virgin. My last video, thank you so much for liking the video. Like you guys helped me a lot. I don't know, I don't even know how to appreciate you. Thank you so much for liking the video. Like I told you guys that the more you like, the more you encourage other people to like. And please like the video physically and not just emotionally. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. First thing you need to do if you want to braid your hair, wash your hair. This is the basic 4 steps I do when I want to wash my hair. I'll detangle and pre-pull my hair. You don't have to, but I personally I would detangle and pre-pull my hair. If I don't detangle it, I'll just twist it and pre-pull. Then when I'm in the shower, I can detangle it. But I prefer detangling my hair before washing it because of my hair is what they, if you are African or if you are Nigerian, my hair is what they call dada hair. So my hair will lock if I don't detangle it before washing it. I know my hair, so just know what works for you and stick to it. Either ways, these are just the main 4 things that I do: detangle and pre-pull, shampoo, then condition, then I deep condition, which is rare. Say I took out extensions or I stretched my hair with the blow dryer or a flat iron, something like that. Other than that, I rarely deep condition. I wrap my hair on my t-shirt or make a protective style like what I did in this video. This is a 1 hour playlist. So if you're a member of my channel, you can check the video and use it to twist your hair or braid your hair for 1 hour. Time yourself when you want to braid your hair. This is the next part of braiding your hair, and this is like the most critical part, and people really emphasize on this part because of if you don't really get this part right, it's going to affect how your braids will come out, and that is parting or sectioning. So I personally I like to do my hair in front of a mirror, but guess what, we don't have a mirror, so I'm going to open Zoom on my laptop because my mirror is at the other side, and right now my tripod is just standing on like my tripod. I told you guys my tripod got spoiled, so it's managing. I can't put it to the mirror, so it's on my bed, literally on my bed. So I'm trying to like manage it till I get another tripod. I'm going to use Zoom so that I can see my hair on my laptop. Sometimes I will use the selfie camera so I can see what I'm braiding. But I want this video to be clearer because this is night. This is not daytime, so it's not going to be so nice using my selfie camera. So you need a mirror, very important. All the tools and products I'm using in this video, I'm going to leave them in the description box. The things I have on Amazon shop, I'm going to put the links there if you want to get them. So after your mirror, you're going to need moisturizer, oil, and a hydrator or water. I'm not going to use oil because of see I'm sweating. There is heat. There is serious heat and there's no lights. So this is literally inverter. I don't know what's wrong with my fan, so I don't even just oh god. Oh, okay. I'll try to adjust the fan now. But I'm not using oil because there is heat and oil rubbing on my body is it's not even going to oh my god. Not gonna be nice. My hair is already producing a lot of sebum, and this moisturizing juice that I'm using already has oil inside. It has castor oil. I'm just going to use moisturizer and the water. If you want, you can use oil. If this is like later part of this, like let's say Hamatan or winter, you can use oil. But this is heat, so my hair is going to produce its own oil. So let's stick with what is going to work for us. In this video, I clearly explained how I part my hair. For this video, I'm going to be working with the parts I already have from this previous twist. But in this video, I part my hair from the middle. So from the middle to the back, like middle part from the middle of my nose to the back, I'll have 2 sections. So when I have those 2 sections, in front of my ear, in front of my ear to the top, then behind my ear to the top. Same thing goes for this part to where I stopped here. So the front of my ear to where I stopped here, behind my ear to where I stopped here. So that's making 6 sections, right? Now in those 6 sections, I'm going to divide each section into two. So that's making 2 times 6, 12 sections. So those 12 sections, I can also divide them again into two. So I hope that's why this channel is a tutorial channel, but I'm trying my best. Kanikpe, what's kanikpe in English? Let's say I had two cameras and my tripod wasn't sick. I would have liked it to be easier for me to show you, but the more you watch this video, the more we progress and we get to understand better. I'm going to watch a movie because I have like 19 or 20 sections of hair on my head to do, and my hair is not short. Let's not waste time again. I'll just get into the video. Now, I'm kind of losing myself. The first thing is we're going to spray the moisturizer. You don't have to be as aggressive as I am, Sha. Hydrator, no moisturizer. So when you spray, you want to get the product to enter into your hair. So you like not just dragging. I'm not just dragging. Like I'm getting the product to absorb into my hair. So now that the product is like kind of absorbed, I'll be using this moisture spray. If you have a leave-in conditioner, you can use a leave-in conditioner on the tip of my hair. Oh my god. So like I said, I'm using my laptop as my mirror. Shedding. If you want it to be very neater, you can use a comb, but I was just using my fingers because of the intensity is not what's bothering me. It's this heat. That's why I just want to make my hair in braids so that my hair is less and not as full as twist. I'm not really going to comb my hair because I'm in a rush to just do this thing. I'm not like trying to detangle my hair because I'll soon take down this hairstyle. But if you want it to be neater, you can comb out your hair. I'm just going to tease out shrinkage like I said in my last video at the roots of my hair. Better than before, even though it's not so detangled. Now this part is not neat, so I'm not with a mirror, so I'm looking at my laptop. If you want a neater part, the tip I have for you is to rub your hair gel or your hair cream or hair pomade or petroleum jelly. Rub it on your scalp on the part where you want to draw your line. So when you rub it on that part, you can now part your hair. I'm not really parting with my parting comb because I'm just working with this section. I'm only separating any hair that I see is getting from one part to another. And now, at least what I can see from this laptop is better. Let's wrap this in a scrunchie. You can use your hair clamp. Now this part is the important part and basically why you're watching this video. It is gripping your hair. Now look at my fingers. These two fingers and these two fingers. Focus on them. When I'm weaving, I'll try to explain better. But focus on these two fingers because these are the fingers you'll be using. So you want to separate 3 sections since you're a beginner. It might not be completely equal, but let's try to make it as equal as possible. 3 sections. I just want you to remember that if I can do it, then you can do it. Look at these two fingers. Wherever you braid your hair, that is how it's going to go. If I'm braiding this way, it will come this way. If I'm braiding this way, it will fall back. So I want to braid back because I want to pack it in a ponytail later on. Because if I braid forward, when I want to pack it in a ponytail, it will be painful. We have our 3 sections. Keep this one, the middle one in the front. Keep the two by the side. So you are going to want to start with the right section. You will be bringing all your sections to the middle. So you bring this right section, focus these two fingers. You bring it, make sure you are dragging every part of your hair. You are packing every part of your hair with these two fingers. Then When you do that, this middle section, you bring it to the right. Bring it to the right like that. Then now your other hand, you use it to hit the left section to the middle. So you have your left section now in the middle. This other hand, we use this to bring this last section that is now on our right, this last section to the middle. So
I ran out of storage space. I thought my phone was recording because my flash was still on. But all the while, though, it wasn't recording. But anyway, I'm going to explain it now. So you see, when you are weaving, you are bringing the left and right section to the middle behind the middle section. You know, there are three sections. You are bringing the left and right to the middle from behind the middle section that is already in the middle. So you take the left to the middle, you take the right to the middle. When you come down, you can see I'm weaving forward. I'm weaving forward, not backward here. When I'm coming down, when I'm braiding the longer parts down, I'm weaving forward. The reason why I'm moving forward when I'm braiding it down is so that it can fall well and it's not standing up. But when you are on the roots, when you are weaving on the roots or braiding on the roots, when you have your three sections, you are bringing the left and right to the middle, but from behind the section that's already in the middle already. So left and right from behind the middle section. When you are braiding downwards, this is another tip again. Make sure you are putting, see my index finger, make sure you are putting your index finger at the middle so that it is tighter. See, at the middle, put your index finger at the middle so that it is tighter, because if you don't do that, your braids are going to be loose and not tight, and you want it to be tighter so it doesn't get rough easily. So that is the goal. In the middle, in the middle, just keep practicing. You can even practice with any material you have around. Keep practicing it and you will get it. It's just little by little. I started practicing when I was like 6 years old.
add beads to the ends of your hair because of it's going to give your hair length because of shrinkage. And with time, when your hair gets older, your hair is going to roll up. Like that's why I really like that Koroba hairstyle, because my hair is always rolling up with braids. But that Koroba hairstyle literally rolled up my hair. So like even before my hair rolling up, I already rolled it up. If your hair is shorter, you don't want your hair standing up in the air. So adding beads is going to like add some weight to it, like weightlifting. I'm going to add weight to it and bring it down so it's not flying everywhere. Anytime I'm adding beads to my hair, I always oil the rubber bands with oil. I always oil the rubber bands with oil. I oil the rubber bands before using them on the beads. I would put the beads on my crochet pin or crochet pin. Then I would put my hair inside the hook, then close the hook, then drag my hair out of the beads. Roll a bead on the last bead, then put my rubber band. A big shout out to Blossom Cares 6764 for being the first person to comment on my last video. And if you made this part of this video, braids. Comment braids in the comment section to make your comments interesting. Tell me your favorite type of braids, whether it's Koroba, Fulani braids, Chuku, cornrows. And if you don't like braids at all, please let me know in the comment section. And have you ever tried beads with only your hair? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't liked this video already, please make sure you give the video a physical like. I know you like the emotionally, please like it physically, I beg you, please, so you can encourage other people to like the video. Because of you are still here, I have an additional tip for you. I don't have hair mousse because one is expensive and you don't even want to know what the economy is saying in this country. So my hair gets dirty easily. So applying mousse or gel on my hair is going to make my hair dirty. So because of I don't have hair mousse and my hair is like type 4, what I do is that I will tie scarves on my braids so that it's kind of like flatten out my hair, like the way you tie scarves on your slick bun or your edges when you style your edges or you do your slick bun. That's why I'll tie scarves on my braids so that I can flatten the flyaways from my hair, because I did big braids. So that all those like they call it undergrowths, all those flyaways will like rest down. and can appear at least neater for the time being. Thank you guys for your support. Once you can join my membership, your video requests and video ideas in the comment section. Don't forget to comment braids. I'll see you this video.